Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, if you're enjoying my content, I would love if you would take a second, it's right underneath this video, to give me a thumbs up. The thumbs up button will turn blue. That means you're registered that you gave me that thumbs up, and I appreciate that very much. That means a lot on the YouTube platform, because YouTube then will put my video in front of others that like this content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So thank you for doing that for me. All right. Today is the day that I love doing these type of videos, but you got to bear with me because I have to move the camera around a couple of different ways to get you guys to see what I'm seeing. We're going to be talking about the sneak peeks for the Allure beauty box for the month of October, which is the new price beauty box. So this is really great for you guys to see, because this way, if you want to lock in that $15 a month price, you still can, because it's before October the 1st. I will leave a full video of all of that information in the description box down below, so you guys will know more about it. But this way you'll be able to see what this is all about, because we got the Allure magazine in the mail today, and there were a couple of things in there. One that I just ordered that I'm going to share with you as well. There's also going to be a limited edition box available, which I'm going to go through with you with that as well. But this is one of my favorite magazines, especially during the month of September. I think for years, September was the biggest and best month for fashion, for everything in the magazine world. But Allure does the best of beauty during this magazine month too. So there's a lot that I want to share with you guys. So bear with me. Let's try to get this going and we'll take it from there. So like I said, for October the 1st, the price is going up to $23. And they're saying it will have a minimum of $100 value, where before for the $15 box, I think it was just over a $70 value. I think it used to be 5 products, and now they're planning on doing 6 products, and they're saying there's going to be 3 full size where there used to be 2 full size. So I'm excited to see what this is all about and what they're planning on offering. I did put a bunch of little stickers on there to show you a couple things that I wanted to share with you, and then we'll go through also the limited edition box that I just ordered. Okay, so here we go. So the box that you're seeing in front of the screen right now, this is from my stash of boxes, because I always keep these. They are, to me, these hard shell boxes, and I enjoy keeping things in them. So these are always here for me, especially when I want to do my filming. The cover of the magazine this month is, like I said, it's called the Best of Beauty, and this is for, they're calling their special issue, but it is for the month of October. And when I went in, and normally I tear everything out, but because I haven't had a chance to go through the whole magazine yet, I didn't want to pull everything apart, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys so you guys can see everything that's going on. All right, so let me see if I can do this properly. Oh, bear with me, guys. Okay, the first item that we're seeing on the top looks like it is from Sigma, and I tried to see if there was any fine print at the bottom so we can know about variations, and I don't think there's going to be any variations in this box either. And I always wait for the magazine to come out, because I want to share with you what is confirmed, and once it's printed in the magazine, to me that's as confirmed as they can get. So this Sigma is a liquid lipstick, and it's saying it is going to be in the color called Venom. And then to over here, they're saying there is this brand called the NUE, N-U-E company. They're saying it's a tropical sea, and that is considered full size. The next beside it, there is this brand called Verso, V-E-R-S-O, and they're saying that is going to be a super eye serum. That's also going to be full size. Then from Dr. Jart, this looks like it's going to be a deluxe sample size. It is the ceramide cream. Then just below it, there is a nail polish, and this nail polish says it is called the Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer, and they're considering this to be full size as well. Then when we go down here to the area here, it looks like they have a mask. It says sponsor, which I've never seen that before. It says Rusk Pure Mix Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. But I think this is another sample size, and it might be one of those bonus items that they put into the box. And then here they have the La Roche-Posay lip balm and something AP cream. Lipicar balm AP cream. I'm really not familiar with that one at all, but I do enjoy the La Roche-Posay, but the samples are so small. And then beside it, they have another product here that says it is Wilma Schumann Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads, and they're saying there's one pair in there. And then the item that you're seeing here on the bottom, this is from Sisley, but it's only for new members. That's the bonus item that they're going to be receiving, and it is in the Paris Black Rose Cream Mask. So as I said when this started, they promise only $100 in value, but they're saying here on the page over $200 in value, but it has that little asterisk, and what that means is that includes the price of this Sisley bonus item. So I don't know what the true value of this bag is going to be. I'm a little underwhelmed. I expected to see it to be a little bit different, but we'll see how the box arrives. We'll see, what's going to be different in that sense. But for product wise, I'm not seeing any major brands or something that, to me, if I was launching a new box, where I raised the price, almost by $10 more, I'm not sure. But like I've locked in for the year for the $15, so hopefully my mindset will change a little bit. But I'd love to know how you guys feel. If you could leave in the comments down below if you're excited about this or underwhelmed like I am, or how you're feeling. But that's me personally. All right. The next item that I wanted to show you guys here is, it's the first time I'm seeing in a long time in the magazines, there's samples, and this is one of the products that I absolutely truly enjoy, and I stock up all the time on it. I do own also the Bioderma in the large one, but I seem to always go back to the one with the pink cap from this, and what I really, from Garnier. And it's called the micellar water, and I just wanted to show you that they're putting little sample packs back in here too, and the perfume samples are really strong this month in here, because I was able to smell the magazine even before I opened up the mailbox. The next thing that I wanted to share with you guys here too is I'm really excited. I have an order pending at ULTA. I'm waiting for it to be shipped. And these two items that are here are going to be on my channel, because I did purchase those and a couple of others. But I'm really excited when I see something that I've decided to spend money on outside of the boxes when I go into the retail world. There's reasons being, and when I do that video, you'll understand why. But I love seeing when it is something that Allure puts also in their magazines, so it gets me excited that it's something that Allure also feels highly about. The next item here, which is on the bottom area here, is the one that I wanted to tell you guys about. I used to get my Allure beauty box from Amazon, and I had no problem with it. It came every month, middle of the month, everything was great. This was the first month because I switched over to the to have the bonus box that was available through Allure, as well as I did everything through allure.com. So I was able to access and get my year locked in with my price. I got that mega bonus box that I shared with you guys too. I'll make sure to leave all those videos linked down below so they'll be easy access for you guys. But if you want to see any of my videos, all you simply do is press on my name that's underneath the video, True Wants, that's in bold letters, and it brings up a whole menu of all of our videos that we've done on the channel. And then if you want to just look for Allure in the search bar, you type Allure, and then you'll be able to narrow it down that way too. But I'm going to try to leave access to the ones that are really important during this time right now. So what I did was I got an email from allure.com about this Allure limited edition box before the magazine arrived, which all within the same day. And I was a little shocked that when I was getting my box through Amazon, I was not getting the information or any of these deals coming down via email. So there's a lot of little extra perks that I'm finding I'm getting with Allure by purchasing from them directly. And even though I know it's not being shipped by Amazon, it's being shipped by Allure. But for some reason, I guess once they have your email and that information, they're able to offer you more incentives and more deals that are coming down. Because I did get a couple of other deals before this one, but it wasn't a box. It was a discount on a curling wand or something like that. So this one I wanted to share with you guys because it's a limited edition box, and I chose to order it based on the information that I was able to research and find that is in here. So I will be sharing it on my channel, and as you know, I will give you all that information when I do receive the items, because some of them are brands that I'm not familiar with, and some of them are brands that I already know, and some products that I've already enjoyed, and this is going to be replenished stock for me. So I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out if it's something that you want to know about, and you can probably go on allure.com. I don't know if it's only available I do know that it is at a discounted price available for members, and what they mean by members is if you're getting their beauty box. I paid $40, but they're saying it also is available for non-members for $60. And what you're seeing here is just a small snippet of what it is, but they're saying it's the Allure Winners Limited Box. And it is, like I said, a $40 box, but they're saying there will be over $204 of value in this box. They're going to have a full size of the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, which is a $39 value on its own. So to me, that product paid for the box, because for me, I got introduced to Ole Henriksen, a full line of his products on a Trend Mood box, and it was a lot more than $40. And this has the ULTA MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum with SPF 46. It's also going to be the full size, and that is a $30 value. The next item that is also going to be in there is from Kevyn Aucoin. It's a Glass Glow Face and Body Gloss. It could be in one or another of the colors. It's also going to be a full size, and that is a $32 value. They also have a Youth to the People Super Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask that's going to be in there. I'm not sure the size of that one, but the other full-size item is from e.l.f., which is a $10 item. That is their Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. There's also going to be an Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0. It's one of my favorite pencils. I enjoy so much the 24/7 Urban Decays, and 0 is a really dark black. It's a fantastic one to have. I think also there's going to be a sample size of the Benefit They're Real Lengthening Mascara, and I know those sample sizes usually on Ulta run around $10 to $15. There's also going to be a Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, and if it is their smallest, that's a $10 value. So they also had a scrunchie by a brand that I'm not familiar called Slips Silk. When I went to look up on their website, the value of that, if you just needed one, was $10. And then they had a couple of small items, Moroccan treatment oil, that if it is this, smallest one, I'm not sure what the value would be, but those treatment oils are really enjoyable. And then the last is, they said there's going to be a bonus Natasha Denona eyeshadow single, and when I looked up what their singles were, it's going to be in a choice of 3 shades that they're going to choose for us. It is the Bronzage, Obad, or Margana. And when I looked up what these prices were on that website, if it is the full-size single shadow, that's a $29 value. So even, if you can get that, elsewhere for even half, I mean, the value on this box is definitely there if those are the items that interest you. There was nothing more in the magazine in reference to this information. All this information, I had to go on different websites to get that for you. But here it's saying it's an over $193 value. With the email that I got, said it was over $204. So it's neither here nor there. But for members, people who get the boxes, it's a $40 limited edition box. And then for non-members, you can still get this for $60. So to me, I would, the website that I'm trying to show you on the screen here is allure.com/award winners. So I wanted to share that with you guys during this sneak peek video as well. So once again, everybody, this is my sneak peeks for the month of October. for the Allure beauty box that we were all anticipating and waiting for. I'm really was excited to see what they were going to do with their first box. Please leave in the comments down below how you feel about it. As always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me, and that you take the time to leave me comments down below, because that's my lifeline to you. So thank you for doing that as well. As always, everybody, please continue to stay safe and stay well, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.